Next question is that what should be subtracted from the sum of? See that now. From the sum of, what should be subtracted from? Means after from what number are? Sum of 4 upon 11 and 3 upon 2. Write it. 4 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. Okay. From numbers is getting in a first position. What should be subtracted? For what we will use? X. To get 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Now what you will do? 4 plus 3, 7. Oh sorry, it was 4 upon 11. So LCM of left hand side, what it will be? 11 into 2 is equal to 22. Now multiply this. Directly I am doing here now. I taught you how you will do. 11 divided 22. How many times? 2. 2 upon 2 plus 3 upon 2. Multiply 2 divided 22. What you will get? 11 upon 11. Okay. Minus x is equal to 1. See that. 4 2 ja 8. 8 upon 22 plus 11 3 ja 33 upon 22. Okay. Is equal to minus x is equal to 1. See that 30. It will become 38 plus 8 plus 33 upon 22, because now the denominator becomes same. Okay. Minus x is equal to 1. 33 plus 8, 8 plus 3, 41. 41 upon 22 minus x is equal to 1. Now what you will do, beta? Keep this minus x here. Keep that minus x on left hand side and shift of 41 upon 22, it is a plus. So it will go on the, when we will bring it on the right hand side, what it will become? Minus 41 upon 22. Okay. Now put 1 here. Again minus x is equal to. So what it will become? Take if 1 LCM. LCM is equal to 22. So first fraction will be multiplied. 1 upon 1 is into 22 upon 22. Second fraction will remain as same, 41 upon 22. So minus x is equal to 22 upon 22. Don't make it cancel, otherwise it will be difficult to calculate. 41 upon 22. Now minus x is equal to 22 minus 41 upon 22. Some children, they are making cancel here. That is wrong. Otherwise again same one will come. And how we will take LCM and all that. Okay. So minus x. Now see on the right hand side what is there? Two opposite sign number. Two opposite sign number is equal to subtraction with greater number sign. With greater number sign. Maybe everybody of you, still your copies are with you. So write those rows also in your copy, so that you may understand, or it should be now memorized to you. Minus x is equal to 41. 41 minus 22. So 11 minus 2, 9. Here 3. 3 minus 2, 1. Greater number having what sign? Minus. Minus 19 upon 22. So minus and minus will become cancelled. So x is equal to 19 upon 22. So in this way this question also have completed, and I will write some homework question also for you, so that with the help of this question you can do that. Okay. In the next class I will give you the question of same pattern, so that you can do them with the in your homework part. Number 11 is that sum of two rational number is 1 upon 2. If one of the number is minus 1 upon, find the other. Sum of two rational numbers. Let two rational numbers are, let two rational numbers are, what are? A upon B and C upon D. Okay. Now what he is saying is the sum of two rational numbers, A upon B plus C upon D is equal to, what is their sum? The sum of two rational numbers is 1 upon 2. Means their sum is 1 upon 2. Then in next line he is saying if one of them is minus 1 upon 4. Is suppose A upon B is equal to minus 1 upon 4 according to the question. So minus 1 upon 4 plus C upon D is equal to 1 upon 2. So C upon D is equal to 1 upon 2 and this minus 1 upon 4 go here. So minus will become plus and 1 upon 4. Now rest of the process you are able to do. Just now I taught you how to do. So up to here you will do this in your homework. Now proceed to the question number 12. Question number 12. What should be subtracted from 5 upon 4? From which? 5 upon 4 to get 23 upon 25. It is same as question number 8. Just now I taught you. So question number 8 same as question number 12, which is same as question number 8. So this is also your homework. Okay, this is also your homework. Now come to the question number 13. Question number 13 that I am writing it. See that it is visible now? The sum product of two rational numbers is 4 upon 15. Their product is given, and if one of them is means one number you have to given 6 upon 7, find the other. Means one number we have to given and their product is given, we have to find the other. Let two rational numbers are, rational means always in fractional form we will take them. Rational numbers are A upon B and C upon D. Then what he is saying, their product A upon B into C upon D. What is their product? Product you have given. The product of two rational number is, what is their? 4 upon 15. Okay. Then in next line he is saying that if one of them means suppose first number 6 upon 7 into C upon D is equal to 4 upon 15. You know that whenever we are having into, then what is called C upon D, you can keep here. Don't think that here it is plus, so on that side it will, some children are doing like that, C upon D is equal to 4 upon 15 minus 6 upon 7. That is wrong. Why it is wrong? Because here not addition and subtraction sign. Okay, this can be possible only in case of addition and subtraction. Here if the sign is into, then the first thing which is here in along with the multiplication of unknown value, that will go on the division, means on divide it will go. So it will be go on 4 upon 15 divided by 6 upon 7. Maybe are you getting me? Okay. So C upon D is equal to, this divide will become into the multiply sign. Okay. And reciprocal of 6 upon 7. So it will be 4 upon 15 into reciprocal of this 7 upon 6. Okay. So it will become 2 2 ja 4 or 2 3 ja 6. C upon D will remain here. So C upon D is equal to 2 into 7, because now the cancellation is further, simplification is not possible. So 15 into 3. 7 2 ja 14 and 5 3 ja 15. So another rational number will be 14 upon 15. See that now question number 14. What is that? Divide the sum of. Divide the sum of means sum of which one? 7 upon 8 plus 9 upon 11. This sum will be divided by which? Minus 1 upon 4. Now what you will do? I am just telling you. First you will take the sum by taking LCM and making denominator equal, and then by adding at the last, and then divide by minus 1 upon 4. Then divide sign will be converted into multiplication sign, and you will take the reciprocal of this one, and then you will simplify the number, you will get your answer. So in this way, this will be your homework. Now come to the question number 15. Okay, what is the question number 15? Divide the difference of 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 7. Difference of 1 upon 5 and 2 upon 7 by 2 upon 7. See that. Here it is difference it is written. There is no, it is also a case of subtraction. But here is not written from. If difference is written, so simply we will write 1 upon 5 minus 2 upon 7. And this difference you will divide by which one? 2 upon 7. So divide it by 2 upon 7. So see that now. 7 5 ja 35. LCM is 35. So you can do the cross multiplication also. It will become 7 1 ja 7 minus 5 2 ja 10 upon 7 5 ja 35. Okay. In this way also you can do. Or divided by 2 upon 7. Or otherwise by the previous method as we were doing by that method. Those children those are not able to do by this method, they will do again by equating the making the denominators equals and then do the subtraction. See that now. Here two opposite sign number is equal to subtraction with greater number sign. Rule you will write yourself. Otherwise now there should be no need to write the rule. It should be very clear to you because in teachers from class 6th you are learning along with me. So subtract 7 minus 10. 10 minus 7 3. Greater number having what sign? Minus 3 upon 35 divided by 2 upon 7. Now see that. It will be minus 3 upon 35 divide converted into and reciprocal of 2 upon 7. Now take it minus 3 upon 35 into reciprocal of this one, what it will be? 7 upon 2. Okay. 7 1 ja 7. 7 5 ja 35. What it will become? Minus 3 into 1 upon, in denominator it is 5 into 2. 3 1 ja 3 minus 3. 5 2 ja 10. This will be your answer. So in the same way you will complete. Here it is a case of addition. One part I have done. Here it is case of addition. Same way you will take along with this one and this into sign and then reciprocal of this after simplifying this, doing or this addition. So in this way up to the question number 15 we have completed. Now we are proceeding to the next one. Divide 1 upon 70 by the product of 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 2. How you will write? 1 upon 70. For divide sign you will go get and put and by the product. Product means into whose product? 1 upon 7 and 1 upon 2. Maybe are you getting this? Okay. Now 1 upon 70 divide 1 1 ja 1 upon 7 2 ja 40. Okay. Now 1 upon 70. This divide side will be converted into sign and reciprocal of 1 upon 14 you will take. Okay. 1 upon 70 into reciprocal of this one, what it will be? 14 will go numerator. 14 upon 1. 14 1 ja 14 upon 71 ja 70. Do this now. In 14th table 70 comes. 14 1 ja 14. 14 5 ja 70. Table should be very clear to you. Then only you can do. So what answer will come? 1 upon 5. Okay. Now we are proceeding to the question number 17. See that now question number 17. Divide minus 81. Okay. Minus 81. You have to divide this one. Put division sign. Sum of. Sum means plus whose sum? 3 upon 5 and minus 6 upon 7. So what you will get? Minus 81 divided by 3 upon 5 plus into minus. What it will become? Minus 6 upon 7. Now what you will do? First of all, you will simplify this by taking LCM, making denominator equal, then doing subtraction. In this way, second bracket first of all you will find, and after simplification you will get one rational number. Then you will divide 81 divided by 3 upon 5, whatever result will come. If you are being confused, so you can write minus 81 upon 1. So in this way, you will complete this one also in your homework. Further procedure is same as I have done right now. Just now I have done in previous question. So in place of multiplication, you have to do the subtraction, and subtraction already we have learned. Okay, so complete this one also. Question number 18 is that a taxi covers 2 upon 5 kilometer in 10 minutes. Find the speed of the car in kilometer per hour. See beta, what you know? You know that speed is equal to distance upon time. Okay, so you have given distance and in which you have to find kilometer per hour. Okay, already it is kilometer, so distance will remain as same, but time is in minute, and for changing time into minute, time is equal to 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes, if you will convert in 10 minutes time in hour, convert it in hour, what it will be? 10 upon 60 hour. Everybody knows na? While we are converting time into means minute into hour, by which it should be divided? 60. Now see that speed is equal to distance. Distance is 2 upon 5 divided by, means upon means divide. Time is 10 upon 60. So speed is equal to distance 2 upon 5. This divide into multiply sign and reciprocal of, in case of division only, reciprocal of 10 upon 60. So what it will be? 2 upon 5 multiply by 60 upon 10. So what it will be? 2 into 60 upon 5 into 10. So 10 6 ja 60. So what it, how much it will be? And 10 1 ja 10. 6 2 ja 12 upon 5 1 ja 5 kilometer per hour. This will be speed. So in this way, this question up to 18 it also has completed. Now see that beta. Question number 19. Find the area of a square whose perimeter is 4 centimeter. Find the area of a square whose perimeter is 4 centimeter. You know that what is the formula for perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 4 into side. Okay, 4 into side you have to given 4 into side is equal to perimeter. 4 into side is equal to how much is perimeter? 4 centimeter. So side will be 4 divided by 4. So side will be 4 upon 4 means 1 centimeter. So now you can find this area. Area is equal to side into side, and side is 1 centimeter. Divide meter or centimeter? Centimeter. Multiplied by 1 centimeter. 1 1 ja 1 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter. So area will be 1 centimeter square. Question number 20 is a very simple question. The cost of 2 kg potatoes is 2 kg. The cost of 2 kg potato is, nothing is given, and the cost of 24 kg potatoes is. So cut this question. We have not given. This question is incomplete, so no need to do this one, or otherwise if the value will also be there, so it is a very simple question. Now come to the question number 21. Come to the question number 20 we have left. Now we are moving to the question number 21. See what is the question number 21 now. Question number 21. Verify x plus y less or equal. Whether it may be less or whether it will be equal. Mod of x plus mod of y. X is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to minus 1 upon 3. Okay, and y is equal to, y is how much? 2 upon 5. See that. first take left hand side. But before taking it, make it simplified. 3 1 ja 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 upon 3. Okay, left hand side is mod of x plus y. Okay, take it now. Mod x first. Take mod minus 4 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5. First simplify it and put the mod in the same way, no problem. So what it will be? LCM will be 15. LCM will be 15. Okay. So what it will be? See, 15 divided by 3. How much you will get? 5. And if 15 divided by 5, what you will get? 3. It means first fraction will be multiplied by, because 3 is there, so it will be multiplied by 5. So minus 4 upon 3. I am writing in this way here from next time. See that now. Minus 4 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 multiplied by 3 upon 3. Do all the procedure inside the mod only. Now see that 4 5 ja 20 minus 20 upon 5 3 ja 15 plus 2 3 ja 6 upon 5 3 ja 15. So what you will get? Minus 20 plus 6 upon 15. Okay. Now see what it will be? 2 opposite sign number. 2 opposite sign number is equal to subtraction. Is equal to subtraction with greater value sign. With greater value sign. Greater value sign. Okay. Now see that subtract 20 minus 6. 20 minus 6, how much it will be? 14. What sign will come? Minus 14 upon 15. So what you have learned? Okay. In mod, negative becomes positive. So you will remove the mod and what it will be? 14 upon 15 your LHS value. Okay. Now move to the right hand side. Now move to the right hand side. Okay. Only again I am repeating, while I was taking your online class also, I taught you at that time, only the minus value becomes positive. Not positive will become minus. Some children are doing mistake. What they are doing, if positive is there, then they are writing minus. That is wrong. It is given in your notes form also. Okay. Now see that RHS. RHS is mod of x plus mod of y. Okay. Now see, mod of x means, what is the value of x? Minus 4 upon 3 plus mod of means 2 upon 5. So see that minus 4 upon 3 will become 4 upon 3 because it is negative value. But there will be no change in the positive value. It will be, some children are making it negative. That is wrong. Again I am repeating. It will be positive only, 2 upon 5. Only means mod sign or absolute value is only converting the negative sign into the positive, not positive sign into the negative. Positive will remain positive. Now take LCM, or directly I am taking LCM will be 15, or just now, right now we have done here. So it will become 4 upon 3 into 5 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5 into 3 upon 3. 4 5 ja 20 upon 15 plus 3 2 ja 6 upon 15. What it will get? You can see that 20 plus 6 upon 15. 20 plus 6, 26 upon 15. You know that. On that side, left hand side, you got 14 upon 15. Up see that. LHS, you got 14 upon 15. Okay. And RHS, you got 26 upon 15. See that now. Denominators are equal. So with left hand side, you are having less value. Right hand side, you are having greater value. So what it will be? Left hand side is smaller than right hand side. So it is verified. It was written there now whether it will come less or it will come equal. So in this way you have to complete the parts of this question. Okay, so you will complete the rest of the part of this question and show me again. I am repeating, beta. Show me your work timely, because right now anybody, not any child, have shown me your homework. You are not doing your homework, and this is instruction to you. If you are, whenever you are getting, you have to maintain your copy in the same way as you were maintaining previously while the school was running. Don't think that you are sitting at home, because anytime to anybody of you we can ask your copies, that by taking your name randomly in the group, that show us your copy, that whether up to whatever we taught till there your copy is completed or not. Okay, now the last question. Write the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. Can you